Nizim Africa thokozani sanibonani Dumelang Apsheni and hello umkhuloti from 131 Masha Street Johannesburg CBD. Nina Betongo. I want people to understand ukuthi whenever uma ngunikeza instruction ngomuthi noma ngento usuke ngunikeza yona. Number 1, you must be most aware ukuthi uma uza kumina whatever thing of which I'm giving you, it's something of which you have paid for. So try ukuthi uma ngutshela into, do into the way I'm telling you without hesitating and without thinking there and there and there and there. You came to me as a person who needs help, and uma ngunikeza usizo lelo, you must make sure that you align yourself with whatever thing of which usuke ngutshela yona. Dumela ngwaneso. Ngisuka e131 Masha Street, Johannesburg CBD. That's where ngisebenzela khona abantu. That's where ngine chemist ukuthi uma ufikile uthatha imithi kuyona. It's more like a bookshop. Thatha imithi kuyona yonke into ikwazi ukuthi ikukhanyele futhi hambe kahle. Ngwaneso, namhlanje ufuna ukukhuluma nawe ngomuthi wenduku. Bonke obaba, abantu besilisa, abantu eyikuthi banenkinga yeinduku zabo. Mamela ngwaneso, umuthi wenduku usase khona. Umuthi wenduku ubiza imali engange 3,500 rand. 3,500 rand. Njengoba kuyimanje kuyiwinter kanje, induku zamadoda ziyofinyela kula wena zifinyela khona. Zifinyela strong ngoba ilumbo oshawe ngalo lisebenza kakhulu uma kuyiwinter. Dipipi tsa bona saka da banyane he da banyane da honyela. Di honyela haholo ka winter. Ngoba umuthi welumbo uthakwa ngewinter. Uma umuntu athi induku yakhe yafinyela, you must be rest assured ukuthi ifinyela kakhulu when winter times. And once induku yakhe ifinyela kakhulu on winter times, ukuthi inyuke noma ithi ukuthi uma kungena isummer, forget. Ngwanesu mamela. Umuthi wenduku ubiza imali engange 3.5. Kule 3.5 leyo, you get ukuthi umkhuloti ukunikeza imithi ewu3. I repeat again. Lo muthi wenduku wamanje, umuthi wenduku triple power extra. How? I am no longer giving you ama-herbs out 2, but I'm giving you ama-herbs out 3. Lama-herbs out 3, 1 umuthi oyukuthi baba. Kiwele bontate today. Baba, what you do? Lo muthi lo uyawuthatha. Uma lo muthi uthatha, it is more like you are masturbating. You are performing a masturbation ritual, but you are not masturbating because of angifuna ukuthi uze uqhame noma ukhiphe lento engafuna ukuyibiza ngegama because I'm on air at this moment. What you do, you wrap it. You wrap it. Yes, you wrap it. You wrap it. You wrap it. Then when you wrap it, you wrap it, you wrap it, you wrap it. You will apply this thing. You will feel as if ipipi lako liyashisa. The pipi now is becoming more warmer. More warmer. So, uma ufila ngathi liba warm, then what you do, you stop right there. It's a matter of you wrap that thing of yours for maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Then it is done. You wrap your penis 2 times or 3 times in a day, depending on ukuthi wena ubaba, what time do you get at home, how available are you, then you do that. Then when you wrap it, you apply it. Lo muthi uyawukhulumisa ukuthi pipi lami khula baba wami, khula ndoda endala, ukwazi ukwenza umsebenzi, uyazi ukuthi wena wadalwa ini. The issue of ukuthi uma ubaba ungabhonyelwi, it is wrong. The issue of ukuthi uma ubaba awuphakanyelwa imizwa, it is wrong. You must make sure ukuthi uyabhonyelwa, and uma umuntu wesilisa uyalalana with your own sexual partner of which ukuthi uyishadile noma uthandana nayo. Okay, fine. Let us go to umuthi wesi-2. Umuthi wesi-2, what you do ngalo muthi lo, uyawuphuza. Uma lo muthi uphuza, lo muthi lo uqosha mhlambe ama-sicknesses or things of which you have, more like mhlambe uneyigulo esikhona emzimbeni wakho. Lento le uma uphuza ibulala lezi zimo lezo, because of sometimes ipipi lakho alikhuli noma alinwebeki noma alivuki at some point because of kunezinto ezihleli kuwena ngaphakathi. So lenzani liqosha yonke le moya leyo. Futhi ungamangali uma sometimes uqhama kube kuyingathi umqhamo wakho ngathi uphuma umqhamo ngathi ungqolile ngendlela ongaunderstand. Lento le isuke iklina ngaphakathi kuwena. Lento le isuke ikhipha yonke lento eyisiphithiphithi. Yonke lento le isuke ikhipha yonke lento le wrong. Fine. Umuthi wesithathu nyanga yompedi mkhuloti wenza ini? Umuthi wani? Ukhiphani lo? Umuthi wesi-3 iwona muthi lona ke lo oyenza ukuthi indoda ibhonyelwe. Ngomuthi wesithathu uyabhonyelwa. Lo muthi lo wenzani? Uvusa ipipi, uvusa ipipi, uvusa ipipi, uvusa ipipi, uvusa ipipi so strong in a way mangazayo. Kuze ipipi lakho lingakwazi ukuthi lilale. At least uma you have reached age 40-45, awungahlulwa at least to hit, maybe let's say ngosuku to hit 5 rounds. That's how powerful lo muthi lo ngakhona. Umuthi lo nguyenza ngani? I won't change my story. I won't say because of it's the very same thing of which ngiyayenza and since nganyenza yona. Ngithatha umqala wofuthu. Umqala wofuthu ngathatha neminye imithi ngoba ufuthu luthi angithi luthi. So lolu futhi njengoba luthi ngibuyela mina lesimo sokuthi bakushaya ngento ukuthi induku yakho ifinyele. Ngifuna induku yakho ihlale iya phambili ingaye emuva. So lo muthi lo wenduku upowerful. This is umuthi wenduku triple power extra. Uzokusiza. Ngunikeza imithi ewu3 ngemali engange 3,500 rands. And lo muthi lo within 3 days 7 days uzobona ipipi lakho lithi. Ipipi lakho liba fresh. Uma usafuna futhi uyadeposita, mufuna futhi libe extra more. Mufuna futhi uyadeposita. That's how it is. Umuthi wenduku triple power extra ubiza imali engange 3,500 rand. Bobaba, bonitatu amazulu wonke, amazulu, amaXhosa, abeTswana, abeSuthu, kibatla limameleng, amandrebele, kikopa linchebeleng. Uma ngikhuluma lento ngizweni, lisononka dipipi tse nyane. Abatla ma repate nthoye. Lisononka dipipi tse nyane. And the thing iyenza ukuthi imihlaba enivele kuyona, imihlaba eyikuthi kunezimo eyikuthi kule minye imihlaba eyikuthi amadoda athwele. Amadoda angala iLimpopo iLimpopo yonke ithwele because of iLimpopo it is towards North Africa. And if you can check abantu abasuke eLimpopo, abantu eyikuthi most of them ba originated from Malawi, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Zambia, bavela lapho. Then coming to all these places, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape, Western Cape, Northwest, kibuya ka batswana ba heso, ke mathata ka dipipi hadiyo, awekho amapipi. Here those people are suffering like seriously. So, ngidinga ukuthi ndaka baba ungifonele ufake imali yakho, place your order, nguthumele umuthi nawe kulenge ekhaya kube kuhle. Siyabonga makhosi. Thank you.